The OPPO Pad 4 Pro is a tablet featuring a 13.2-inch LCD screen with good dimensions, offering 2K resolution and a refresh rate of 144 Hz, which is adaptive, by the way. Its brightness reaches 900 nits and it covers 98% of the DCI-P3 range, supporting Dolby Vision, providing a very good experience when watching streaming content, movies, and series. The processor is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, showcasing impressive performance. However, I would have preferred an AMOLED screen to make it an even better tablet. It's definitely high-end, but it also has impressive power, featuring 16 GB of LPDDR, 5X RAM, and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Additionally, this tablet offers special optimization for Genshin Impact, enabling it to run at a 2.1K resolution and 120 frames per second by activating a unique mode. This places it in competition with other high-end tablets. However, I must say I would have preferred a better screen. The battery capacity is 12,140 mAh and it supports SuperVOOC charging at 67 watts. Interestingly, it boasts a thickness of 5.97 mm, making it ultra-thin and exceptionally light, weighing in at 675 grams. It features a 13-megapixel rear camera with digital stabilization capable of recording in 4K resolution. The front camera is 8 megapixels. Additionally, it includes 8 speakers that are Dolby Atmos compatible. 4 speakers handle the middle and bass frequencies, while the other 4 manage the treble, providing a comprehensive audio experience. Provide a very powerful audio. It runs Android 15 with ColorOS 15 featuring Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and interestingly, NFC, which is rare in tablets. It includes facial recognition and accessories like the Smart Touch keyboard, OPPO Pencil 2 Pro, and a case sold separately. Available in Morning Glow, Galaxy Silver, and Space Gray. The base model costs 3,299 yuan with 8 and 256 gigabytes, around $450, but remember prices here differ from there. Another option offers more RAM and storage at a higher cost.